You know that moment when you tell yourself, tonight, I'm sleeping early, no excuses. And then you lie down, unlock your phone for one last check, scroll a little, watch a reel, then another, and suddenly the clock hits 2 a.m. and you're like, bro, again? Then morning comes. Your alarm screams, your eyes feel like sandpaper, your brain loads slower than old Wi-Fi, and you walk around thinking, I seriously need to get my sleep together. But the next night, same cycle and same mistake. Meanwhile, there's always that one person, the entrepreneur, the athlete, the high achiever, who casually says, I only sleep 5 hours and I wake up feeling amazing. And you're sitting there wondering, how is that even possible? What cheat code are they using? The truth is, it's not about how many hours you spend in bed. It's about how well your brain travels through the architecture of sleep. That's why you can sleep 9 hours and wake up dead inside, or sleep 5.5 hours and wake up sharp, calm, and firing on all cylinders. Well, today, you'll learn exactly what that cheat code is. Let's break the myth and upgrade your sleep, not by adding more hours, but by making every single hour count. Here's the real science behind it. Your brain moves through repeating cycles of about 90 minutes each, and inside each cycle, you shift through light sleep, deep sleep, and REM. Deep sleep is where your body rebuilds. It's the stage where muscles repair, hormones balance, and the immune system resets. Think of it as your hardware maintenance mode. REM sleep, on the other hand, is your mental optimization zone, the place for memory consolidation, creativity boosts, and emotional processing. This is where your operating system gets patched. But here's the glitch. If your cycles get interrupted by stress, blue light, caffeine, noise, or inconsistent sleep schedules, your body never makes it deep enough into these restorative stages. So even if you sleep a long time, it's junk sleep, and junk sleep equals junk energy. But if your cycles are smooth, predictable, and properly triggered, your brain compresses more recovery into fewer hours. That's why some people function like machines on less sleep. So today, you're getting the sleep efficiency blueprint, the formula that makes your 5 or 6 hours feel like someone else's 8 or 9. Let's get into it. Step 1. Sleep at the same time every night, even on weekends, because your brain loves consistency. The single strongest signal you can give your circadian rhythm is timing. If you sleep at random times, your body never knows when to release melatonin. It's like trying to catch a train that keeps changing its schedule. But if you sleep and wake at the same time every day, your brain starts predicting bedtime automatically. Your core temperature drops on cue, melatonin rises on cue, and the whole system syncs. So, pick a bedtime, pick a wake-up time, and stick to it for 14 days. You will be shocked at how quickly mornings stop hurting. Step 2. Never set an alarm at a random time. Always align it with a full sleep cycle. Since each cycle lasts about 90 minutes, your ideal sleep lengths are 6 hours, 7.5 hours, or 9 hours. If you wake up in the middle of deep sleep, you'll feel like a zombie. But if you wake up right after a cycle ends, you'll feel awake and clear. This one change transforms your mornings instantly. Step 3. The pre-sleep shutdown sequence, your 1-hour power down. This is where 90% of people mess up. Your body can't just jump from scrolling chaos mode into deep sleep mode. It needs a gradual descent, like landing a plane. To make this work, use the 3-2-1 system. 3 hours before bed, stop all heavy food. 2 hours before bed, cut out work or stressful conversations. And 1 hour before bed, eliminate all screens and blue light. Replace those screens with warm, dim lights, gentle stretching, or slow music. You could even try journaling or meditation. This entire sequence tells your nervous system, we're powering down now. Step 4. Morning light is your reset button. The first thing you do when you wake up decides your energy for the entire day. So, before you even touch your phone, go outside for 5 to 10 minutes. When natural light hits your retina, it sends a direct signal to your brain. Stop melatonin and start serotonin. That one hit of sunlight anchors your circadian rhythm and wakes your brain naturally. Step 5. Shock the system awake. Stop negotiating with the snooze button and do something physical instantly. Whether it's splashing cold water on your face, doing 20 seconds of fast breathing, or hitting 15 push-ups, Just do anything that spikes your heart rate. This movement boosts your dopamine and norepinephrine, wiping away that foggy sleep inertia within minutes. Now, let's talk about advanced upgrades, the elite sleep hacks. These will take your sleep from pretty good to athlete-level recovery. First is the caffeine curfew. You must stop all caffeine after 2 p.m. This is crucial because caffeine blocks adenosine, the very molecule that makes you sleepy. And if you drink it late, your deep sleep tanks, even if you fall asleep just fine. Second, you need to set your sleep cave. Keep your room cool, between 18 and 20 degrees, and ensure total darkness using blackout curtains or a sleep mask. Whether you prefer white noise or total silence, remember, your brain sleeps much deeper when it feels like it's in a secure cave. Third, magnesium and herbal calmers. You see, low magnesium levels can often mean terrible sleep, so to fix this, try adding magnesium glycinate or ashwagandha tea to your routine. These natural remedies calm your entire nervous system. No drugs needed. Just make sure to check with your doctor first. Fourth, the mental offload. If your mind races at night, grab a notebook and do a brain dump. Writing down everything that's stressing you out acts like a mental off switch. It literally forces your brain out of the alert beta state and drops you right into those perfect, sleep-ready waves. Bro, remember, sleep isn't a weakness. Sleep is a performance multiplier. The goal isn't to sleep less just to brag. The real goal is to master your recovery so you can perform like a high-functioning human. You don't win by staying up the latest. You win by waking up with clarity, calmness, and energy. You simply can't fuel your goals with a drained brain. When you optimize your sleep cycles, you upgrade your entire day, your focus, your mood, your training, your discipline, and your creativity. This is the real flex. One day, and trust me, this day will come. You'll open your eyes before your alarm even goes off. There will be no panic, no heaviness, and no brain fog. Just clarity and a quiet energy humming under your skin. It's that incredible feeling of, okay, I'm actually in control now. That's when you'll realize something powerful. You didn't need more hours. You needed better sleep. And now, you know exactly how to get it. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, drop a comment, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Let's level up your life together. Let's go.